If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Delete Anchor Point tool in Photoshop lets you delete anchor points from paths and shapes in Photoshop. To use the Delete Anchor Point tool in Photoshop, click the Delete Anchor Point tool button in the Tools panel. This tool shares the same button as the Pen tool, Freeform Pen tool, Curvature Pen tool, Add Anchor Point tool, and Convert Point tool, and the button shows the icon of the tool last selected. So, if needed, click and hold down on this button in the Tools panel, and then select the Delete Anchor Point tool command from the side menu that appears to select it. There are no options for the Delete Anchor Point tool in the Options bar control panel. To use the Delete Anchor Point tool in Photoshop, select the shape layer in the Layers panel or path in the Paths panel from which to delete an anchor point. Then hover over the path component to select within the selected shape layer or path and click it once to show its anchor points. Then hover over the anchor point to delete in the path component until your mouse pointer turns into an icon of a pen tip with a small minus sign next to it. Then click with the mouse to delete that anchor point from the selected path component. If removing an anchor point from a live shape, Photoshop then asks if you want to convert the live shape into a path to complete the operation. To convert the live shape to a path, click Yes in the prompt window. Alternatively, to cancel the conversion, click No in the prompt. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.